What is YouTube automation? Becoming a YouTube sensation and making a chunk of change in the process is a common dream for many. After all, the lure to make money on your own terms without putting countless hours behind a desk and having fun while doing it is an attractive thought. And while this dream is becoming a reality for many, for others, they are either just getting started and don't know where to begin or they have stalled. Another issue could be stage fright and not wanting to be the face of your content. The possible solution to all of this is YouTube automation, and it just might be what your channel is looking for. What is YouTube automation? YouTube automation is the concept of creating viral-worthy videos for your channel without actually having a lot of hands-on work with content creation. And while it is a bit of investment up front to hire someone else to make content, for people wanting a bucket of content to publish or don't want to have their face on camera, this is a great solution with potentially big rewards. The concept of YouTube automation allows for users to outsource their content to someone else to handle all the creative, and then they share it to their channel and earn money based on the video's performance. However, this is aimed at not just any type of content, rather viral entertaining content. So, this means, yes, you still should be the star of informative marketing videos to continue to build your brand. It's important to note that you don't have to hire someone else to make your content if you don't have the budget. The key point is really about publishing video content that goes beyond needing to showcase you and your life in order to become popular. Automated YouTube scheduling. Another aspect of YouTube automation is automating the process of publishing the content. Similar to hiring an agency to help create content, Planoly has you covered here. Subscribers can simply upload video content from either their computer, Dropbox, or Google Drive into Planoly. Then you draft the video description, determine the thumbnail image, and select the Enable Auto Post option. Next, select the date and time for the video to publish and schedule it. That's it. This will keep content flowing to your channel even if you step away from the computer. For a more in-depth look at how to auto-post to YouTube using Planoly, check this out. Let's take a quick look at niches on YouTube. A YouTube niche is the main topic, category for a video. This is important to consider because when you clearly define your video's niche and fine-tune all the elements of the content around the niche, it has a better chance of getting in front of your target audience. The niche of your videos should not be widely varied and, in fact, they should be directly connected to your channel's defined niche. If you didn't consider this when you first set up your channel, Revi.